Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to naturally cure tinnitus using Quietum Plus. In this video, we will walk you through the process of effectively relieving tinnitus symptoms using this natural supplement. Before we dive into the solution, let's first understand what tinnitus is. Tinnitus is a condition characterized by ringing or buzzing sounds in the ears. It can be caused by various factors such as exposure to loud noises, ear infections, or even age-related hearing loss. Quietum Plus is a natural supplement that aims to alleviate tinnitus symptoms and promote overall ear health. Its powerful blend of natural ingredients works together to reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, and support the functioning of the auditory system. Before starting any tinnitus treatment, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional. They can assess your condition, determine the underlying cause of your tinnitus, and provide personalized advice on how to use Quietum Plus effectively. Once you have consulted with a healthcare professional, it is important to understand the recommended dosage of Quietum Plus. Following the instructions provided by the manufacturer or your healthcare provider will ensure you get optimal results from this natural supplement. To experience the full benefits of Quietum Plus, it is crucial to incorporate it into your daily routine consistently. Whether you prefer taking it with meals or at a specific time of the day, establishing a routine will help you remember to take the supplement regularly. Keeping track of your progress is essential when using any tinnitus treatment. Monitor any changes in your tinnitus symptoms, such as reduced intensity or frequency of the ringing or buzzing sounds. This will help you gauge the effectiveness of Quietum Plus and make any necessary adjustments. By following these step-by-step instructions and incorporating Quietum Plus into your daily routine, you can naturally cure your tinnitus and enjoy relief from the unwanted symptoms. Discover the power of Quietum Plus and take control of your tinnitus today.